Atropos. Joke lang.
Ayan ka lang naman sa joke.
Hi Papa P, congratulations po sa pilot.
Salamat.
Ano po yung na-discover nyo while doing Pamilya Sagrado?
In what aspect?
Sa sarili nyo po.
Pwede ko palang dalhin dito yung acting ko. Pwede ko palang i-extend pa yung pwedeng puntahan ng imahinasyon ng isang tao. As different as I am in person, what I went through for the character is something that I never would go through in my life. I would never do in my life. And that's a fun part of doing it. So yun ang masasabi ko. Thank you.
Alright. You're good, Emil? Okay, more pa daw.
Ako, may sorry.
Go ahead, sorry, MJ.
No, curious lang ako, PJ. From someone na nandoon sa loob nung shooting area ninyo, no? Sino sa mga co-actors mo ang nag-stand out sa'yo talaga? For some reason.
Oh no.
Mahirap sagutin yan. Magaling kasi lahat. Everyone brought their A game. But if I have to give it to somebody, I'll have to give it to Tito Pip. Pip.
Bakit?
It's timeless. Remember the first scene where you saw him? That's powerful. That's presence. And that's what we aim for, that presence in scene. That's Tirsa Cruz III, through decades of hard work and just dedication to the craft.
Saka yung generosity, no?
Yeah,
Still
lahat
do
yun,
this.
lahat dapat yun. Na makikita mo kahit intimidated ka, wow, siya bumate kasama siya.
Bigay. Grabe. Okay, kay AJ.
Emil, anong favorite scene mo? Kasi, nanood ka ba?
Parang sinisindak mo naman siya, AJ. Nanonood ka ba? Alin daw?
Sa late ng venue natin, talagang gusto lahat pumasok. Ilan tayo dito ngayon, 100. Diba?
Parang ang dami ka natin.
Ay, no, kanina, 60 ka kahit medyo mainit, pero no one left the room.
Walang umihi.
Actually sa preview po, kasi sobrang na-highlight po yung powerhouse casting po.
Okay, yun ang gusto mo. Favorite scene ni Papa P?
Same po yung sa Tikoy po eh.
Tikoy. Alright.
Thank you.
Ikaw kay AJ, what's your favorite scene?
Eh, kasi tinawag ako, nag-meeting kami
hindi
sa dami
ka pala.
na.
Kaya mo pala tinatanong.
Kaya pinasa mo pala
Ikaw pala hindi nanood.
Kasi,
After my kaya pala tinatanong.
may live streaming tayo. Eh, kasi, abala ako dito. Sa catering. Abala ako sa catering. MJ, ikaw, favorite scene mo?
The Mylene Dizon from the toilet
Bed.
powder room, going to the bed.
Yeah, the dynamic and the
That was
explanation how they are is
That was good. And the Grace eyes, nung nakita niya yung text message or video,
Yeah.
yung mata.
Yeah, nice. There you go. Nakakatuwa, di ba?
That's very specific.
Kakaroon Team Gray tsaka Team Kyle, ano? Sa amin, sa group namin, meron na
Ako dito, ma'am.
Grabe naman.
Ay,
Ano yung Piolo?
Speaking of, ano ba, stretch pa ba? Ano ba?
Ano
Wala,
na?
Bumuking kasi ako dito.
Sige, nanonood na din.
Kung ano na pinag-uusapan namin dito. Okay, we move on to the next part.
Ano yun? Okay. So,
Eto partner ang namigay ng Tikoy, wala iba kundi si Justin Tiangco of ABS-CBN Corpco.
ABS-CBN PR na rin. She's like tweeting yata right now.
Okay.
Hi po.
Galing ka mo, Jess.
Congrats po.
Thank you.
Since yung trailer po kasi and the preview, mas ano kasi yung fraternity, yung lineage nyo ng Sagrado. So para sa iyo po, ano po yung importance ng legacy and brotherhood?
Everything, it comes together. Family, politics, brotherhood. It all starts with brotherhood in school. And as a fraternity, you become brothers in life, for life. But when family sets in, or when family becomes part of the web, then that's where problems come in for the show. So I think that's really the conflict that we will have to tackle for the show. The fraternity being part of the family conflict, and them being part of politics. So yun ang mahirap natin pag-uusapan dito.
Papa P, kasi ganito I have a question, parang ito hindi ko alam kung nasagot mo na to, parang every time makikita ka in public, in a show, sa social media, pabata ka daw ng pabata. Ano bang sikreto? Please share. Diet ba? Lifestyle? Ano ba?
Pawis talaga. Mahilig ako mag-pawis.
Yung biga,
Workout. I think the best way for us to sleep right drink right, drink a lot of water, and exercise every day. Love self-love. I mean, you know, you gotta appreciate life for whatever it gives you because every day is a new day to be better and to be a good person.
What do you, like, what's your diet like?
Oo nga eh.
Malakas ako kumain. I eat. I don't want to deprive myself of the good things in life. That's why I work out a lot. And minsan I try to eat more because sumusobra naman yung workout ko. So I
Pero
try to
balance,
balance.
solo ha?
Oo naman. Okay naman. Medyo mahirap minsan pa nagka-training kayo, mamahihimatay ka ng 80% na 90% yung heart rate mo. Pero yun as an athlete, kailangan mo i-push yung sarili mo.
Oo.
Athlete daw!
I know.
Active lifestyle.
Active
Ito
lang.
MJ, anong lifestyle? Parang kasi stretch daw ng stretch eh.
Ayan. Talk show na mais, no?
Oh, parang sa Senado na ako. Kulang pa ba? Manonood naman kayo, di ba?
Recently, you were part of the board of directors ng actor.
Yeah.
Right? Tama, actor ba yun naging part ka ng
Patay
officer?
tayo dyan,
Board of-
yes. I was voted as a director of youth.
You as a youth.
Youth director for board of directors.
Congratulations. Oh, wow.
So yeah. So we're gonna be busy with a lot of things. Not just during the GA, ang daming plano ng ating chairman, Ding Dong
Correct.
Dantes.
Oo.
So, napasa na yung Eddie Garcia bill, so we're happy about that. So, you know, just want, like what I said, let's keep the ball rolling because kailangan talaga natin ng hindi lang improvement, pero kailangan natin yung support ng bawat sektor ng bansa natin para magtulong-tulong tayo may antas ng entertainment.
Ito never ko ito natanong kasi still remains a top actor ng Philippine industry showbiz. How do you feel, how do you deal with competition, Papa P? Andiyan pa ba yan sa mindset mo?
As long as I know I compete with myself and I don't compare myself to the success of somebody else's, hindi ako ma-intimidate or hindi ako kailangan mag-compare or maingit because alam ko meron akong sariling path na gusto kong puntahan. So I always, from the time that I started in this business, sabi ko magtrabaho ka lang kung meron kang competition, sarili mo yun. Ang success na isa, hindi mo success, iba yung success mo. So focus on yours.
Tama.
Siya yung pinaka-the friendliest na nakilala ko talaga.
Hindi talaga yung pag nag-compete ka kasi maano ka eh, magkakaroon ng competition, magkakaroon ng comparison. Haka meron siya ito, haka wala ako nito. But if you know na hindi mo pa nakukuha yung gusto mo, you pray for that, you manifest. Pero not because he has it. Gusto mo magkaroon ka ng ganun because iba naman yung ibibigay ng Diyos sa'yo.
Alright, dahil stretch pa daw,
Stretch pa
James
rin?
has a question.
Pag-games na lang kaya tayo. Charot.
Hello, Papa P.
Ay,
Ito
Hey, what's up?
Dixie Sagrado. Pero, Papa P, kasi ito yung pangalawang beses mo makatrabaho sa Shaina. Sa isang serye. Nung una sa Marinela, pero bata pa siya nun. Pero ngayon, dito sa Pamilya Sagrado.
Sana kami sa Lobo.
Yes! Oh, pero I was working again with Shaina.
Nice.
Bakit sa magkakasagot mo?
Very nice, huh? No, we're good friends. I mean, Shaina and I have been like friends for so long since we were kids. Since we were kids, sinabi yung sarili. Kasi child star pa lang yan, nakikita ko na, di ba? We have a good relationship, I could say. And once we are in front of the camera, professional. Siya yung take on yan. Talagang wow, malulukoy mo. Yeah. Lulukoy mo, pero hindi. Pag nandun na, oh wow, hindi wow. Magaling. Sarap na ka-eksena, sarap na kasama.
Nakaka-excite din yung mga eksena na din niyo.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Tapos pa-pitch, di ba happy siya, nakabalik siya sa Dreamscape or di ba sa teleserye. Being one of the closest sa kanya, do you discuss, parang tumutulong ka ba, nag-advise ka ba kay Shaina about work ethics, anything about work?
Hindi, dapat nga sa kanya ako nagtatanong.
Bilang siya,
Bata pa lang ako, pinapanood ko na
Ay.
yun, diba? So, respeto sa child star.
Nanonood ka lang Click, yung show niya.
Oo, yung movie nila ni Kuya Aga, yung anak siya ni Kuya Aga. Joke lang.
Kasalanan mo to, Chi.
Okay, so ano ba? Gusto niya ako naman magtanong?
Sa MJ nga, husay-husay ng host eh, na...
Ano MJ? Parang nawala ka
na.
lang kasi, ako na ba to?
Ano lang, surprise, may masaya lang na magaganap in a few.
No, we're waiting kasi to proceed to our next part of the show.
Which is?
The Q&A. Kasi makakasama natin mamaya yung mga kasama mo rin.
Right.
Wow!
Si Ray, saka si Kyle.
Right.
No? Kasi kanina, dahil mo na na-share about from their point of view naman. We wanted to hear kung ano yung mga...
Ako rin eh.
Diba?
So, okay na ba ako?
Hindi pa, diyan ka pa.
Hindi pa
Papa
rin.
P, ito, question lang talagang, another, bago tayo mag-jump sa MJ.
Oo.
Pag may mentor, how do you deal?
Are you on that stage?
Alright, so nag-bring up yan. Sabi ko yung mentorship kasi, ibigay natin yan sa mga nakakatanda, nakakaangat, or those that really guide you in terms of your career. Personally, dapat manager ba yung mentor sa'yo, or ako for myself, I had the privilege of being mentored by Mr. Ham, Tito Charo, Tito Mariol. I was mentored by ABS-CBN, even Tito Deo. With these kids right now, I don't want to say or make it appear that I tried to mentor them, because at the end of the day, what's important is your expression. That you're not just looking up to somebody, but you're making that somebody, not as your template, but somebody you can look up to, but not necessarily copy. So if I can mentor someone, I want you to be original, but get the good things that you see that I do, but don't copy me.
Kailangan ba lalapit, pag lumapit sa'yo?
Oh, I'm
kailangan
very
ikaw
generous.
mismo?
Oo naman, wala. EJ, bibigay mo yung kung anong... Sumobra ako minsan before eh. Lahat ng trade secrets ko sinabi ko, napagalitan ako. Huwag naman natin talaga kasi yun. Pero after that, sabi sa akin ng manager, huwag mo kasi sabihin lahat, kaya mo pagdaanan nila. So I told him, sabi ko, if there's any advice I would tell you, go through it. Don't be a know-it-all. Be a student, always try to learn and be a student, be humble. Kasi lahat naman yan marirealize mo as you go along. Experiential naman yan. Yung mga experience ko will not be the same experiences.
Tama. So hindi ka nagiging madamot, gusto mo lang sila ma-experience, you know?
Of course, if there's anything I can help them with, I'm easy.
Right.
Bakit? Ba't may pagkakait yung pag-share ng knowledge and experience of
Tama.
life?
Ano reaction mo pag sinasabi nila, uy, siya yung next Yolo Pascual?
Oo naman, kasi hindi naman tayo pwedeng ma-stuck sa kung sino ka at anong kaya mong gawin. So
Okay.
ikaw, pag nag-rise up ka like these boys, I'm their number one supporter. Like my son, is the next one. Of course, I want you to be the best that you can be. And taasan mo pa yung narating ng iniidolo mo.
O pale kasi na yung usapan, ha?
Oo,
Yes.
kasi
Pero ang dami pa rin natin napupulot.
I know, minsan iba din kausap
medyo
si Yolo.
nauubos na rin yung words ko. Nawala na yung talino ko.
Okay.
Okay.
Wala pa rin.
Ay, si Ken Quinto.
Hindi ko naman birthday, ano ba yung
Additional, si Kenneth Quinto.
Papa P. Habol. You're still one of the top actors in the industry.
Salamat naman.
may mga panahon ba na naisip mo na parang pawalay ka na?
Maraming
Yung
beses,
ganun.
syempre
And
naman.
kailan mo siya paano mo siya na-overcome?
Siguro pag that was a freaking big milestone in my career, in my life, when I realized na kahit anong gusto mong gawin, pag hindi pa tapos ang Diyos sa'yo at meron pa siya yung gustong gawin sa buhay mo, hayaan mo na lang siya. So marami akong mga pinag sa Diyos na bagay. Pag naiisip ko na walay na ako, mawawala na yung career ko, Lord, di ko nabala sa akin. And I had a good run. And at the same time, I don't want to be selfish. I want to share it with other people na who also deserve something for themselves. So, kung ano man yung legacy may iwan ko, that'll be left. Not because I'm leaving it, but because that's the work that I've done, for me. And kung ano man kung sa manandali ng tadhana, sa mandali ng pagkakataon, sasabay lang tayo sa Agos. And then we'll do our best to give it our best.
Saka, Yolo, one thing I realized, celebrities don't retire. It's the audience that retires them.
Kasi tinanong ko yung kay Tita Sandy and Tito Bo, one time I was doing dahil sa pag-ibig. Sabi ko, kasi pa-retire na ako, dami, ilang years yan. Sabi ko, Tita, kailan ba kayo mag-i-stop ni Tito Bo magtrabaho? Sabi niya, we love what we do. This is the only thing that we know, so why quit? I mean, if there's still producers that get us, of course we're gonna stay around. Siyempre, parang sinampan siya, wow.
Tapos
Oo
ikaw.
nga, no? Tapos ako napaka-grateful mo.
Oo,
Diba? So that's like, one of the things na na-realize ko na sabi, don't be selfish. There's still other things that you can do to be good, be better, and, to contribute in this business. Don't be selfish.